Hey everyone friends, on the channel, I'll show you how to fix Type-C headphones not being detected by your phone. There's one setting that might be causing this. To fix it, we need to go to Settings, then About Phone. It could be at the top or at the very bottom. Now tap on the serial number. For me, this is the MIUI version, right? This will unlock developer settings for you. Now go back and search for developer settings. There it is. Go in and scroll down. Keep scrolling, and here's the slider. Try turning it on, plug in your headphones and see if it works, or if it's already on, turn it off, and then try plugging in your headphones to see if that works. That's it. This was me. See you all later.